We have our friends and relatives here.
Okay.
This is the weekend, so we thought we both are retired,
Yeah.
so we thought we'll have a nice time here and go.
Okay. Ma'am, you said you are retired now. So what's the job you had before?
Teacher.
Teacher. You are a teacher. In which
I was a teacher.
Yeah, okay. You was a teacher.
Yeah, I
In
was a
which
teacher
subject?
and I was a primary teacher.
Primary teacher.
So I used to handle classes from 1 to 5.
Okay. No. So, madam, what's your opinion on the students who had studied with you?
If you talk about these primary kids of today,
Okay.
I don't know what to say.
Why, ma'am?
They are so much informed
Yeah.
and they are very, very realistic in their life, which we were not able to do.
Okay.
See, for certain things, when we were babies, we were not allowed to express ourselves.
Yeah.
There was always a control in our from our parents
Yeah,
that
exactly.
you have to do like this, like that.
Like
But nowadays, kids are bindas. They do whatever they want.
want.
And if somebody tells them you can't do it, they ask for explanation.
Yeah. Why should I not?
Yes, you tell me why I should not do. If I feel that it's correct, I will not do.
Exactly.
So that is really wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yes.
So it-
the same way, there are disadvantages also.
Exactly. I mean, the next question was like that one.
Yes, because when we are exposing them to everything,
Yeah.
whatever they have to learn in that age, beyond that age also they are learning.
Exactly.
That is not good for a child. So
No, no.
there I think we have to put some control.
No. So for everything there should be a limit.
Of course.
Yeah. If there is a
Even our
limitation, so we
knowledge
can-
also according to our age.
According to our
See,
age.
yes.
Yeah.
If a child knows the knowledge of a grown up,
Yeah.
he gets confused.
He gets confused.
Yes, he gets confused. When he can do, why can't I?
Ah,
So that is why there is always an age limit and knowledge level also should be limited.
no.
No, I don't accept that knowledge you can gather everything at any age.
No.
According to the age, you should restrict your knowledge also.
Madam. See, mostly everybody compare people with like you and me. See, they say that he's good, he's bad, he's that. So what do you mean that is comparison good or bad?
Yeah, that's what. You can't say it's good or bad because
Yeah.
there are many good things also, there are many bad things also.
Okay.
And everything comes with the good and bad only.
Exactly.
So we have to pick up the good and leave away the bad. That's
Yeah.
what I feel.
But most of the people, if you compare with someone, they were like disappointed. Why are you comparing with me? So it means like everybody has their own talent now. So why should we compare with someone?
No, that's what. Not for the comparison of, I am telling about my childhood and this childhood because
Okay.
this childhood has a lot of exposure which is putting them under stress.
Okay.
Too much of knowledge also is putting them under stress. That can be a little bit controlled. That's all I feel.
That can be.
Otherwise, it's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
And the younger generation nowadays,
Yeah.
they are doing wonders.
Wonders. Yeah.
Really, I'm very happy. See, for example, you, when I
people-
take you people,
Yeah.
in your age, we were bound only to go to college, read, and come back home. That's all.
Yeah.
This much of exposure, and you people are doing a lot to the society.
Yeah, man.
See, you are asking me questions because you want to know.
Yeah.
You want to know, and so that you can spread that to the society also. That is very, very
Done.
applaudable.
See, the next generation is going to be like social media and AI generated. So what do you say that the increasing of technology it leads to like good or bad? Increase of
Technology, see,
Yeah.
that's what technology is very good. There is
Yeah.
no question about it.
Okay.
As I said, there are some bad things also. So I don't know how much you will be able to control that yourself from not going toward the bad thing and taking up only the good things. That
It
is the
depends
main.
upon ourselves.
Yes, every individual.
Yeah.
They have to handle the technology. See, when you compare myself and yourself, I don't know anything, though I am 60 plus. But you people know everything. So in that case, we are learning from you.
Done.
It is not that only elders have to teach youngsters. It's not like that. We are learning a lot from youngsters.
Yeah. Exactly. Done. So as a teacher, what's your suggestion to the students right now?
My suggestion to all the students is you do everything, you acquire knowledge, but see that there should be a limit to your knowledge level also. Don't go beyond that because there should be a balance between the age and the knowledge.
Yeah.
That is most important.
Done, madam. But see, nowadays everybody is getting studied. They are having their completed their degrees and BTech. Even though they have completed the studies, they are not getting a job. So what's the reason?
Main
It means
thing
that
is-
they are losing any skills.
Socializing skill.
Okay.
See, for example, 2 years we were bound in the house because of COVID.
Yeah, COVID. Yeah.
So we are able to, after the 2 years when the school reopened, the batch of children who came to us, we can very well see they don't know how to talk, they don't know how to walk, how to behave with people.
They had forgotten their ethics and
Everything.
Yeah.
Because they have been at home and at their own mercy. So that has affected. So socializing skill is very, very important.
Yeah.
Now I heard that many are opting for homeschooling,
Yeah,
not at all
homeschooling.
going to school.
Done.
But I don't think it is going to be good.
Yeah.
Definitely it's not good for a child. The child has to come out of the house. Then only he will also understand how when he is behaving with others in the society, he can't expect that much comfort just that he had at home.
Done, madam.
So that will
See,
be better.
okay. See, as per your experience and as a teacher, so what's your suggestion to the students who failed their exams and they were not able to take that and they were going for the suicides?
Yeah, that
So
is
what's your suggestion to the students?
That is what I am telling. When they are coming out for socializing skill, they meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
They talk to different set of children. What is their family background? And whatever this child is getting comfort, even that much comfort the other child is not getting. How much he is blessed. So all these will give them some mental support.
Done.
So for that sake, at least they have to come out and learn for school. They should not sit at home for homeschooling. It is not at all good for any child.
Done, madam. See, as we all know that a teacher makes a doctor, a engineer, or it may be anything. But many of the students, they've all forgot their teachers. So what's your answer regarding
That's okay. It's all times are changing. We were taking our gurus as so seriously.
Okay.
These
But
children are
nowadays
taking.
not.
I cannot say it is not. They will have. Maybe they don't know to express it. That's what I feel.
Okay.
I don't say that they don't have respect. They are not. It's not at all like that.
Yeah.
They also might have, but they don't know to express it. That's what I feel.
They don't know how to express.
Yes, how to express that love towards their teachers
Done.
and the respect towards the teacher. It's not that they are disrespecting them.
Okay. See, after the COVID, there was like online classes. They were not going to the physical classes and they were not listening to that. So, do you mean that is online class is equal to the class that we had entered into the classroom?
No, not at all. Online class can never substitute a teacher's class.
Okay.
That's for sure. See, for example, even now I take tuitions. But some days when I am not able to do, I am trying to do it online, but I can feel that online is total waste.
Yes.
Because when a child is sitting near me, I can make her concentrate on my
Exactly,
teaching.
exactly.
When she is on online, no, suddenly she may switch off the video and say, "Ma'am, video is not working." Because they are children. Children are children. So we cannot have a control over them. So I think online is not at all effective. But during COVID, we didn't have any other way.
Any other way? So, we are going to
So we
online.
have to go for online.
Yeah. So that's the reason we went to online in COVID.
Yes.
Done.
Because of that reason only we went to online teaching. Or else I would not have opted for it at all.
Okay, ma'am. See, right now we are in Hyderabad now. See, for a bachelor student, if he earns 15K per month, is it enough for a student? Being a bachelor.
Being a bachelor, 15,000.
Yeah,
I don't think it's enough.
it's enough. It's not
It is
enough.
not enough. Not at all enough.
Before Saj said that it's enough.
Oh,
It's
he
more
told.
than enough. Okay, the,
Maybe
the
he
habits
feels
they
that.
have.
Maybe he feels that.
Done.
I feel,
ma'am, I
15
think that it depends upon the habits he had.
Not for the habits alone. See the cost of living nowadays.
Yeah.
Take about the rent. He has to pay the rent.
Yeah.
He has to eat
And-
4 meals a day.
Yeah. You have to do-
I don't think 15,000 is enough.
Okay. Done, madam. So finally one question. So as per your experience, what do you think that either money is most important or time is most important or relation is most important?
All are equally important. We should have a balance about it.
Okay.
Money, time, relationship is also important.
Yeah.
Everything is important. You cannot gauge them as this is more and that is less.
Done.
Equally important. Because if there is no money, you can't maintain relationship. If you don't have a relationship, what is the use of having a lot of money? And if you don't have time, what is the use of having money and relationship if you don't have time? So all are equally balanced. Only if it is equally balanced, you can enjoy life. Even if one goes, that link will cut off.